Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the best trading apps right now for Forex and what are the things to be aware of. So first thing first, for the first one is a black bull. So the black bull, what is great is the regulated institutional grade ACN broker, MT4, MT5 and TradingView support up to 500 to 1 leverage, 70 plus currency pairs and minimum deposit from $200. And a review score is like very good, that you can have like ECN Prime, ECN Standard, Prime Plus, and this is something that I personally like really like. So the black bull, and when you're gonna have even like Google Play here, that is like Google Play account, so that's like very good, and that's something that you can actually like test out for yourself and see. So the black bull also very interesting. Now another one is called CoinEx. So the CoinEx, and what is important about it is that you can have ultra tight spreads, high leverage up to 500 to 1, crypto based, no minimum deposit, easy execution and support for MetaTrader 4 and 5. And this is something that you can also check out and see that maybe you're gonna like it. Then also you have like, if you don't want to like use CoinEx, you can also check the Forex. So with this one, you can have leverage up to 1 to 2,000 and multiple count times like fixed, EC and VIP and low minimum deposit starting from $100. Support 4 out of 5 platforms and competitive spreads. So the Forex is also interesting one. And you're gonna have like crypto here too, so that's great and maybe you will like it. Then you can have another one called Xchief. So you want to check the Xchief too. So Xchief, multiple count times including like send and ECN, max leverage up to 1000 to 1, MetaTrader 4 and 5, over 60 currency pairs, minimum deposit from $10. And also that's like kind of like another one that you can actually see for yourself and try. And yeah, that's like Xchief is also interesting. And then you're gonna have also like solid ECN. That's also a great one. Pure ECN model with raw spreads, MetaTrader 5 only, high spread execution and deep liquidity. So this one is also like very good that you can like see for yourself. So yeah, check these ones out. Maybe you're gonna like actually like it. And you're gonna have like Google here, Google Play review that you can actually see first. So start trading, a lot of like positive reviews. So yeah, XGV like is really good, by the way. So if you want to check this out, guys, let me down below in the comments like which one you like most. But for me, the XGV is good. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye.